In today's video, I'm going to show you a couple different methods on how to change eye properties in an assembly in Inventor. So one of the ways to change eye properties is to drill down to a component and then right click on it, eye properties, and then go and change the project over here. So maybe designer is 100. Okay. So if you are working in the part, you can do something like that. If you are right click eye property as well, so you can actually do it from the top assembly as well. So there we go. Let's go change this to 100. You want to change the author. Now that can be quite tedious. I mean, we're going to have to drill into every single part, or select all these parts over here. Now a quicker way to do that is to go to the bill of materials, and what this allows us to do is add the eye property they want to change. So let's right click on the column up here, run top column, and then I'm going to maybe change the author. Now you'll see the author is all me, so let's go and change a couple of these. So let's make a couple of them, say Mickey Mouse. Control C to copy, and then let's go push this down. Now one of the issues I've got over here is that I'm actually changing it for both parts and assemblies as well. I want to go all the way down to the part level. So if I go to my parts only over here, you'll see that it's opened up and brought everything into one level for all my parts over here. Okay. So what we're going to do over here now is let's go and change some of this. So copy and paste by using Control C, Control V. Let's do maybe Donald Duck. And for this one, copy, and I'm not worried about exactly which part gets what eye property. I just want to show you how it takes these changes and puts them into over here. So it does take a little bit of a while. It's kind of reading into the part and changing. And then let's make it goofy over here. So there we go. We got the band together. Okay, copy and paste. Okay, so there I've been able to change the author very quickly from Goofy to Donald Duck to Mickey Mouse. And if I want to, I can also go and change descriptions, or in fact anything that is readable in read-write in my eye properties over here. Once that's been done, if I save it, and it will then save the parts over there. Now I don't know if there is another way of doing it besides that. So if, for instance, I've got, and I'm just taking author, it could be sort of description or stock code, and you can choose which parts you want. Inventor ships with something called the Design Assistant. And with the Design Assistant, what you can do is you can go and change your eye properties through that. So I'm going to go down over here, and I'm going to go to Inventor, and you'll see at the bottom over here under my Inventor 2025, you've got your Design Assistant 2025. Now remember, if you are working in Inventor 2024, 2023, you need to work in the appropriate Design Assistant to modify the properties over there. As well as if I'm got my Design Assistant 2025 open, I try and open up an assembly or part that's 2022, it will first ask me to open that up in Inventor, save it to migrate the information up to 2025, or the parts and assemblies up to Inventor 2025, and then I'm able to open up in the Design Assistant, where I'll be able to do my changes that I want. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go take a look at this. So I'm going to open, and I'm going to go to where this assembly is. Okay, there we go. Now, once it's over here, you'll see there I've got some components over here. You see not all of them are the same. So there's some Aldred, Mickey Mouse, etc. So what I'm going to do over here now is I am going to go to my tools and copy design properties. Now, what I actually want to do is I want to get all the values of these of the author to be Aldred. So what I will do is I'll find a part or assembly with those properties in it. So I'm just going to go to another workspace over here. Let's maybe do this one over here. Okay, so there I've got my authors Aldred. Okay, if you take a look at your properties group, you can filter out to just look at summary properties or product properties or status properties, etc. Okay, so I'm just going to go to all properties and I'm going to select that. So that's the one that I want to copy, and I want to copy it into all these files over here. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go to my part that I want over here. So let's go and find that main assembly. There. Open. And what it does, it opens it up with all the related files over here. So there's all the different files that are going up over here. Okay. Once I've done that, if I want to select all, right click anywhere in the space over here, and you'll see there, select all. I can right click clear all, or I can select the eye properties of that set of the highlighted component and then go and see what the eye properties of that is so that I can know if I should change it or not. Okay, so once that's done, I can just click on copy. It'll say that the property author is already in file. That's one. Would you like to replace it? Yes. You can go through each one and read the file name and see if you want to replace it or not. And I can just say yes to all, and there we go. So there you'll see there one property is copied to 243 files. And then click on done. Now to check it, you'll see there I've got my author. If you do not have that tab or the column author there to see if everything has been done to your liking, what you can do then is I can go through to my tools, view, and then customize, and I'm able to now see if my author wasn't there. If I just click on done, you'll see it disappears. Okay, I can now go to view, customize, and then select my author and add it to there and done, and then you'll see there is my author at the end over there. Now if I go and check this, you'll see there I can go into each one and just see that everything has been done, and if it hasn't, I can go and select that and make sure that I go and change the properties over there. So and the nice thing, you'll see how it was a lot quicker than doing it through the bill of materials. It's just writing to the parts are open, it writes to all the different file locations, whereas this seems to be much quicker, and you can do more than one property as well. So if I go to copy design properties, you'll then select what you want to change. Maybe you want to put a comment in there. The comment is needs to be goes off to shipping to a different country or something like that. So yeah, so there we go. Design Assistant, a very, very nice little tool for you to very quickly copy properties from an existing part or assembly that has got information that you want to reside in a new design that you have created. Thank you very much for watching.